How to paint an interior wall. Difficulty level 1 hammer. Soft beige or bright colors add character to any interior decoration. If you prepare the walls properly, painting is a fairly quick job. You will need paint. You will need a roll of plastic sheet, masking tape, a roller tray, a paint grid and stirrer, precision brush, a roller, and an extension pole. You will need household gloves and some overalls. Begin the preparation. Peel off the old wallpaper or wash dirty paint. Repair holes and cracks and apply an undercoat if the wall is porous. The quality of the result all depends on careful preparation. If you intend to repaint the whole room, begin with the ceiling. Cover the floor with plastic sheet, fixed in place around the room with adhesive tape. Turn off the electricity if you decide to remove plug sockets and switches. Mark out the area to paint with masking tape, covering the edges of the ceiling as well as the skirting boards if they are to be painted a different color. Acrylic or alkyd paints are suitable for nominally dry rooms in the house. You will also find paint suitable for rooms where there is water, steam or grease. Matte, satin and gloss paint are all becoming less popular for dry rooms. In rooms where moisture is present, satin or gloss finishes are better and easier to clean. Stir the paint in its tin for a few moments until you have a uniform color. Then pour the paint into the roller tray and put the paint grid on the side. Let it stand. A precision brush is ideal for tricky areas such as along the edges of the ceiling, in the corners of walls, along skirting boards, or around plug sockets and switches. Dip half the brush into the paint and wipe off excess on the grid. Paint the borders, following the line of masking tape without overloading the brush. Remove the masking tape before the paint solidifies. Load the roller with paint. The sleeve should be half full before you roll it against the grid to even out the paint. Do this again if necessary. You could tidy the edge with the roller. Start at the top of the wall and paint areas of about 1 squared meter. To achieve a uniform finish, first apply the paint vertically, then horizontally. And for the third time, paint the wall vertically. Overlap the edge of each area when you move to a new one to blend it with the new area. As you paint, wait until the sleeve of the roller is nearly empty before reloading it. An extension pole will make it easier to reach high walls. If you are right-handed, start painting from the right-hand side. Do the reverse if you're left-handed. This simple tip will mean your free hand rests at an unpainted part of the wall if you accidentally lean against it. The ideal temperature for painting is around 18 degrees Celsius. If it's important to air the room, avoid drafts, which might speed up the drying process and show lap marks. If you need to apply a second coat, use exactly the same technique, allowing at least 12 hours between coats. Remove the masking tape while the paint is still fresh to prevent flaking, and remember to replace sockets and switches. Clean the brushes and roller with the manufacturer's recommended solvent as shown on the label, or use white spirit. One color or coordinated walls show off your creative skill with a fresh, new interior.